How to change phone number on Cash App. Follow the instructions. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log in using your existing account credentials. Wait for the main dashboard to load completely. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down through the profile menu options. Tap on the Personal section to open your account details. Look for your phone number listed in the information. Tap on the listed phone number to edit it. Remove the old phone number from the field. Type in the new phone number you want to use. Double-check the new number for accuracy. Tap Continue or Next to move forward. Wait for a text message with a verification code. Enter the verification code into the app when asked. Confirm that your phone number has been successfully changed. Thank you for watching.